Did you know chronic depression can literally shrink your brain? A 2023 study found that prolonged low mood reduces hippocampal volume by 10%. Comment right now. Does your depression feel more like brain fog or like constant fatigue? Today, I'll show you the exact biological process that causes brain shrinkage and the 2 scientifically proven methods to reverse it. Subscribe now so you don't miss the one strategy that rebuilds lost neural connections. Chronic depression triggers a cascade of biological changes that literally reshape your brain. The hippocampus, responsible for memory and learning, atrophies due to prolonged cortisol exposure. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections, diminishes as depressive symptoms persist. This creates a self-perpetuating loop. Less neural connectivity worsens mood, which further damages the brain. Recent fMRI studies reveal that even 6 months of untreated depression can reduce hippocampal volume by up to 15%, equivalent to losing 10 years of cognitive function. Understanding this mechanism is the first step to reversing it. Most people focus solely on symptom relief, ignoring the root cause of brain shrinkage. They take antidepressants without addressing underlying neuroplasticity issues or skip therapy to just feel better. This creates a false sense of progress while the brain continues to atrophy. Another critical error is neglecting physical health. Poor sleep, malnutrition, and sedentary lifestyles amplify cortisol's damaging effects. Many also believe brain changes are irreversible, abandoning recovery efforts too early. These mistakes keep the brain in a state of chronic disrepair, making it harder to regain lost volume and function. Intentional mental exercises can literally rebuild the brain. Try neuroplasticity training. Alternate between complex tasks like solving puzzles and learning new skills daily. This forces the brain to create new synaptic pathways. Focus on activities that require attention to detail, pattern recognition, and problem solving. For example, learning to play an instrument or practicing strategic board games for 30 minutes daily has shown measurable hippocampal growth in 8 weeks. Pair this with mindfulness. Staying present during these exercises enhances neural engagement. Consistency is key. Even 15 minutes of focused mental stimulation daily can counteract atrophy. Aerobic exercise is the brain's best friend during recovery. Studies show that 30 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio, like swimming or cycling, 3 times weekly increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, by 23%, directly stimulating hippocampal growth. Unlike general movement, this specific type of exercise promotes angiogenesis, the growth of new blood vessels in the brain, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to neurons. A 2024 trial found that combining cognitive training with aerobic exercise led to 12% hippocampal volume recovery in 12 weeks. The key is consistency and intensity. Exercise must be challenging enough to elevate heart rate but sustainable long-term. Sustaining recovery requires creating new habits that protect the brain. First, integrate neuroplasticity exercises and exercise into your daily routine using habit stacking. Pair them with existing routines like showering or coffee time. Track progress with apps that measure BDNF levels or hippocampal function, if available. Build a support network of people who understand brain health. Accountability groups significantly increase adherence. Lastly, accept that recovery is nonlinear. Some days will feel harder than others. The goal isn't perfection but progress. With time, these practices become second nature, protecting the brain from future shrinkage. You now understand that brain shrinkage from depression is reversible through targeted cognitive and physical strategies. By combining mental exercises with aerobic activity, you can rebuild lost neural connections. Recovery is a process requiring patience, but the tools are within your reach. You're not just treating symptoms, you're rebuilding the very architecture of your mind. Share a moment when you felt your brain click into recovery or a strategy that kept you anchored during a low point. Your story could light someone else's path, but here's the shocking truth. Your brain's reward system isn't broken, it's just wired for survival, not happiness. Next week, we'll show you how to rewire it. Subscribe now to get weekly neuroscience-backed strategies for brain health. Comment below with whether your depression feels more like brain fog or fatigue. Let's discuss your experience in the comments.